Welcome to a new chapter in how we love, connect, and grow together. If you've been feeling like relationships have gotten harder to navigate, you're not alone. The world is shifting, faster than ever, and so are the dynamics of love. In today's video, we're diving deep into the top 3 relationship trends that are shaping lives, altering expectations, and changing the way we give and receive love in 2025. These aren't just fads. These are transformational shifts, rooted in culture, psychology, and technology, that can help you better understand yourself and the people you love. So, whether you're single, dating, married, or healing, this is for you. Let's explore the future of love together. Trend 1: Emotional intelligence as the new sexy. Let's start with the first major trend. Emotional intelligence is the new sexy. We're not talking about IQ, money, or looks, though they still play a role in attraction. In 2025, what's truly drawing people in is emotional depth, the ability to be present, to communicate clearly, to regulate your emotions, to respond with empathy instead of ego. Why? Because after years of digital noise, quick flings, and social media facades, people are craving something real. We want partners who can sit with us in silence and still be heard. We want people who don't just react, but who reflect. Emotional intelligence, also known as EQ, is the cornerstone of a lasting relationship. It's about understanding your own emotional landscape and respecting someone else's. In past years, emotional availability was often overlooked, but now, it's the main event. Let's break this down into 4 key areas where EQ is showing up in relationships. 1. Communication over control. People are no longer tolerating partners who try to manipulate, ghost, or gaslight. We're choosing people who communicate, who say what they mean and mean what they say. 2. Conflict without collapse. Arguments used to be deal breakers. Now they're viewed as opportunities for growth. When handled correctly, couples with high EQ don't avoid hard conversations. They handle them with grace. 3. Vulnerability is valued. Gone are the days when vulnerability was seen as weakness. Today it's power. Being able to say, "I'm hurt," "I'm scared," or "I love you," without armor, is rare, and rare is attractive. 4. Healing is hot, self-aware partners are in. People who go to therapy, who journal, who meditate, who own their past. These individuals bring healing energy into relationships. That's magnetic. So what's the takeaway? Work on your emotional intelligence like you would your fitness or finances. Read books, go to therapy, reflect more, react less. In 2025, EQ isn't optional, it's irresistible. Trend 2: Conscious commitment over casual connection. Now let's talk about the second big trend: conscious commitment. If 2020 to 2023 was the era of hookup culture, soft launching, and ghosting, then 2025 is showing signs of an awakening. People are starting to realize that fast doesn't mean fulfilling, that casual often leads to confusion, and that commitment, when intentional, can be the most liberating thing of all. But commitment today isn't about rushing to the altar or locking yourself into outdated gender roles. It's about awareness, alignment, choosing each other with clarity, and not just chemistry. So, what is conscious commitment? 1. Intentional dating. People are asking deeper questions from the start. What are your values? How do you handle stress? What does partnership mean to you? We're moving from swiping to substance. 2. Relationship check-ins. Healthy couples in 2025 are having regular relationship meetings. They talk about what's working, what isn't, and how they can grow together, not just coast. Think of it like preventative maintenance for your connection. 3. Monogamy by choice, not default. People are redefining what commitment looks like. For some, it's traditional monogamy. For others, it might be ethical non-monogamy. The point is, it's chosen consciously, not unconsciously inherited from past norms. 4. No more settling. Conscious commitment means not rushing into a relationship just because you're lonely. It's about choosing someone who sees you, values you, and wants to build with you, not just someone who fills a temporary void. 5. Building a love with purpose. Relationships in 2025 are becoming mission-driven. Couples want to grow spiritually, financially, and emotionally. They're treating love like a garden, something that requires planting, watering, and intentional care. This shift isn't about fear of being alone. It's about honoring the power of partnership and realizing that choosing one person fully is one of the most sacred, exciting decisions you'll ever make. Trend 3. Digital detox and deep presence. The third trend is perhaps the most revolutionary: digital detox and deep presence. We live in a time where people can be physically near but emotionally far. Screens have become barriers to connection. Social media comparison has invaded our self-worth. And dating apps, while convenient, often feel more like shopping than soul-seeking. In 2025, the new flex isn't constant availability, it's true presence. 1. Tech-free time together. Couples are intentionally setting aside phones to be present. They're doing no-phone dates, tech-free mornings, and even digital sabbaticals, because eye contact is becoming rare, and therefore, sacred. 2. Real over remote. There's a movement toward real-life connection. People are meeting through hobbies, community events, faith gatherings, and wellness retreats. Proximity is back in style. 3. Boundaries around social media. More people are choosing not to post every aspect of their relationship online. Why? Because the more you perform your relationship for others, the less you protect it for yourselves. 4. Presence in conflict. Instead of texting long paragraphs during arguments, couples are choosing to wait, breathe, and talk face to face. This leads to fewer misunderstandings and deeper healing. 5. Prioritizing the moment. Being present means listening with your whole body. It means slowing down, touching, laughing, observing. Not just existing beside someone, but being alive with them. Digital presence is convenient, but emotional presence is transformative. In a world full of notifications, the ability to focus on one person, to really see them, is rare. And in 2025, rare is precious. As we wrap up, let's remember, relationships are living things. They evolve as we evolve. And 2025 is inviting us into a new way of loving, one that's conscious, emotionally intelligent, and deeply present. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing. Willing to grow, to listen, to heal, and to love intentionally. If you can do that, these trends won't just change your relationships, they'll change your life. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs encouragement today. The future of love is bright when we choose it with wisdom.